delighted to present you the brand new BVQ418, fully designed and produced by Beyond Vision, featuring 5G connectivity and an NVIDIA GPU to enable AI on the edge. This drone transcends what you expect from a UAV. Possesses a short-range beam width of 112 horizontal degrees and 14 vertical degrees, both forwards and backwards. It's quickly deployable, easily portable, and weatherproof. It can withstand wind speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour throughout its 90-minute flight autonomy. And if you need space for payloads, the drone can carry up to 2 payloads simultaneously for a total payload weight of up to 6 kilograms. The BVQ418 will transform the way you approach every single mission.